Yep, Bafethu sanibonani. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok. Follow me on Facebook, Bafethu. Yeah, Bafethu, I will be straightforward, Bafethu. I will be straightforward. Hugo Bruce Bafethu is not a good coach. Why I'm saying that? Hugo Bruce una 6 years as a South Africa. Akana starting 11 or starting 7. Ukuthi okay nama-player ayi-7 azohlala astarta image. Akanayo. Up until today, Hugo Bruce is still testing ama-player, kusele ngakhi days ukuthi siye ku-World Cup. Angikhulumi ngama-months, kusele 60 days, less than 60 days ukuthi siyodlala i-World Cup. Wena usatesta ama-player. Come on guys, ufaka ama-Nigerian come on guys, come on. And abantu baklepa izandla bathi coach uyayazi into eyenzayo. Come on guys, Bafethu, the same guy lo okona wakhona is playing in a third division, i-Vodacom League le adlala eGermany. Sinabantu la abadlala ama-CAF, abo Grant Kekana, abo Thato Sibi, awubafaki, awubaselect. Sinabo Lodge, sinabo Saleng, awubaselect. Uselect abantu abakubhadalayo. Hugo Bruce is being paid. Is being paid to select certain players, and I've been saying this for a long time. Uplan ukufeyila ku-World Cup, akaplan ukuthi siwine. Hugo Bruce has already achieved a lot in South Africa. Nimklepela izandla for qualifier. For i-World Cup, knowing very well ukuthi akusuye qualify i-World Cup. If we are being honest, Rhulani Mokwena is the one who qualified for i-World Cup, just because he was coaching the worst team in South Africa engasupportwa i-Sundowns. They will never give him credit. Go and check Pitso Mosimane. He's never given credit of how South African football has evolved. It's because of Pitso Mosimane. But they will never say it because he was coaching Sundowns when he did that. Bafethu, mina, I will never say Pitso Mosimane. I would rather choose Pitso Mosimane no Rhulani Mokwena. Siye nabo World Cup. Hugo Bruce simnike imali yakhe aphume kanje. Ayikho le nto ka Hugo Bruce. Ngiyanitshela siyela ukuyofeyila, abantu sibajabulele ukuthi just si World Cup. Sine talent elingaka Bafethu. Come on guys.